Welcome to our tech channel, where today we reveal how to watch IPTV on Apple TV. Discover why 2TV.store is the ultimate IPTV provider to elevate your streaming game. Reach out to Nancy Customer Support. Let's dive into why IPTV is a game changer for Apple TV users. From endless entertainment options to high-quality streams, we'll guide you through the exciting world of IPTV. Prepare for a visual treat ahead. Before you begin, ensure your Apple TV is connected to the internet. Installing IPTV on Apple TV is simpler than you think. Just follow our upcoming steps. Ready your devices for unmatched content experiences. Head to the App Store on your Apple TV and search for IPTV Smarters. This will be your primary tool for IPTV streaming. Don't worry, the installation process is straightforward. Let's get it started. Once installed, open the IPTV Smarters app and input the IPTV provider details from 2TV.store. Enter your subscription credentials and prepare for an array of channels to appear, fueling limitless entertainment. And just like that, you're set. Enjoy endless content with IPTV on your Apple TV. For the best experience, always connect with trusted providers like 2TV.store. Happy viewing. And remember to contact Nancy.